Welcome to the Introduction to Microsoft Office Publisher, Part 1 of 6 parts, presented by the Fruitland Park Library, narrated by Gloria. Video includes Getting Started, Creating Flyers. In order to work along with the tutorial, it may be necessary for you to have two open windows side by side. It does not matter if one window is a website and the other is an application or program. The steps of maximizing or restoring down a window is the same for both. We will be using the website YouTube and Notepad as examples. The opening slides will suggest different methods. Please see slides 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 before continuing with the tutorial. In the upper right corner, there is a Maximize Restore Down button. Restore Down reduces the window to half its size, as you see below. Maximize or Restore Down button becomes a single square. When the window is maximized, it fills the entire screen and the button is a double square. You can adjust the width and height by hovering the cursor on the right, left, top, or bottom edge of the window. The cursor will change from the normal arrow to an arrow with points at each end. You can then resize the window. Arrows are shown in red and blue for better visibility. Arrows will be white on the screen. You can move the window to a new location on the screen by placing the cursor near the top, blue arrow, and holding down the left mouse button. Then drag it to the new location and release the mouse button. If you do not have Microsoft Word on your computer and you are using Windows operating system, you can use Notepad to open two windows side by side. Click on the Windows icon in the lower left corner. Scroll down to Windows Accessories and click. A drop-down menu will open. Click on Notepad. Notepad size can be adjusted just like Word using the same steps. You can also save, open, print, copy, paste, and more using Notepad. After adjusting the first window, open a second window and repeat the steps. As you can see, the second window overlapped the first. Place your cursor near the top of the second window. Cursor should be a white arrow. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the second window off of the first window. The two windows will be side by side, allowing you to follow the instructions in the video. However, using this method will require you at times to use the right side and bottom scroll sliders. A second method is to use the Minimize button, which will drop a window down to the taskbar. Click on it to open it up. Using this method does require you to switch back and forth between the two windows. Just pause the video, minimize the window, and open up the other window. The last suggestion is to take your laptop or smartphone to a library and use one of the library computers. Open the tutorial on the computer or smartphone and use the other to follow along with the tutorial. In this video, we will be working with Microsoft Publisher Getting Started in Flyers. Your Microsoft Publisher icon may look different depending on which version of Publisher that you have. Please click on your Microsoft Publisher icon. If you do not have a subscription to Microsoft Office, please go to the website listed below, https://www.microsoft.com/in-us/buy/Microsoft-365-products. For the free online version of Microsoft Office, please go to the website listed below, https://www.microsoft-365-office-online-4-the-web. When Publisher opens, it opens to the start screen called the Template Gallery. Template Gallery contains blank or pre-designed templates. Click on the first blank template, 8.5 by 11. Blank page will look like this. Workspace area is in the portrait mode. On the left side is a Pages pane, showing any documents or pages within a document you may have open in Publisher. Leave Page pane open. Scratch area. Center of the window is called the Workspace. We need to check and make sure our work is protected in case of power failure. Left-click File, click Options. The option window opens. Click on Save. Check the box next to Save Auto Recovery, Information Every, and using the arrow, set it for every 4 minutes. Click OK. When you click OK, it automatically returns to the open page. Click File again. Click Options. Click Quick Access Toolbar. Scroll and click Draw a Text Box. Click Add. Click OK. Text box button is now on the toolbar for quick access. Death by Chocolate Bake Sale. Saturday, December 7, 2019, 8 o'clock a.m. to 9 o'clock p.m. 123 ABC Bakeries Lane, Eustis, Florida 32726. Flyers are very simple to make, but there are a few things that you should keep in mind. 1. Keep it simple. Most people will glance over it in a 5-second read. If they're interested, they will slow down and read it again. 2. Make sure it has all of the pertinent information, name, address, number, etc. 3. It needs to grab your attention. Use a good headline and pictures. 4. Make sure the font style and size is easy to read. 5. Keep printing costs in mind. 6. How are you going to distribute the flyer? Most flyers use pictures and they need to be the correct size for the flyer. Resizing is easy. You can use pictures you already have to practice with. 1. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Pictures. Click on the picture you want to use. Click OK. You can use the selection handlers to resize the picture. Or you can use the height and width command in the size group. Make sure the picture has been selected so the Pictures Tool Format tab is displayed. Click on the width or height to change the size of the picture. Click the Undo to delete the picture. Let's create a flyer. This flyer was created by using 2 text boxes and 7 pictures. You can see where the text boxes were inserted and where the images were inserted. Each area is numbered. Tip: images must be copyright free. Look for images that state no rights reserved, free to use for personal or commercial use. Take your time. It takes a few minutes to size all of the pictures and place them into position. When you're done, you have a flyer you can be proud of. This concludes the introduction to Microsoft Publisher, Getting Started and Creating Flyers, Part 1 of 6 parts. Thank you for joining us for Part 1. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial and will be joining us for the remaining Parts 2 through 6 of Microsoft Publisher. If you have any questions or would like a transcript of this video, please contact me at gterry@mylakelibrary.org or call 352-360-6561.